Sunday to you. Welcome to another ClinCheck Sunday short. I am your host, Dr. David Galler. 60 seconds to make you a better ClinCheck master. All right, today we take a look at tooth number 7, 1.2 laterals. Laterals are tricky, we know that. Here's what the lateral needs to do. It needs to rotate out to create some arch form. That's what we need to do. But check it out. Look what's happening. Focus your eye on it. So we start out, it's doing some kind of rotation. The root's moving also. Then it picks up a power ridge. It starts doing lingual root torque. Then it picks up an attachment and it starts doing extrusion. And then it pulls all the way in. Way too much. Just the fact that it has nothing, then a power ridge, then extrusion attachment is too much. If you do too much on a lateral, it's not happening and it's confusing. Simplify. Tune in next week to learn how to simplify a lateral movement down to its just base movements. Thanks very much. ClinCheck Sunday short.